Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to enable crossplay in Red Dead Online. And this is something you need to know before searching for settings. Currently, Red Dead Online does not offer any crossplay feature that can be enabled. There is no option in the game settings, menus, or Rockstar Social Club that allows players on different platforms to play together. Red Dead Online keeps PlayStation, Xbox, and PC players on completely separate servers. Even if accounts are linked through Rockstar Social Club, this only syncs stats and progress, not cross-platform gameplay. Any claims about hidden options, tricks, or mods enabling crossplay are incorrect and unsafe. As of now, crossplay in Red Dead Online simply does not exist. To play together, all players must be on the same platform. Subscribe the channel for more videos.